Where's Tootie's new house? Will we be there soon? Yes, we're almost there. There's Tootie's new house. It's beautiful. And big, too. Hello, Tootie.
Hello, children. Welcome to my new home. Please come in.
Wow! Tootie, this is for your new home.
Thank you. It's beautiful. Let me put it here first. Children, I have prepared some drinks and snacks for you. Let's go to the kitchen.
Yes!
Please, that's a good idea. Now look what I've got for you. Orange juice, milk, a cake, marshmallows over here, and chips.
Wow, you have a lot. Tootie, can we go and eat in your dining room?
Yes, of course. Children, can you help me take the food?
Of course.
That's good. Now, here we are. This is my dining room.
But Tootie, there is no chair or table here. We can't eat here.
You're right. Okay, let's go to my bedroom. Come. Let's put everything on the table.
But Tootie, where are the chairs? Tootie, maybe we can take the chairs from the kitchen.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Tootie, can we have some cups and dishes?
Oh, yes, of course. They're in the bathroom.
In the bathroom?
Yes. Come, follow me to my lovely bathroom. My bathroom.
Tootie, do you watch TV in the bathroom?
No. See, the cups and dishes are here.
Tootie, we don't put cups and dishes on the bookshelf. And we don't put bookshelves in the bathroom. Tootie, I think you put things in the wrong places.
Oh, really? What can I do?
Let's put them in the right places. Yes, we can help you.
Oh.
Yay!
Okay.
Tootie, now everything is in its right place.
Oh.
We put the sofa and the television in the sitting room.
Oh,
and
good.
the telephone. Tootie,
Yeah?
now you can sit on the sofa and watch television.
Oh, great.
Or make phone calls.
Oh, good. Very good.
A sofa. A television. A telephone.
We have meals in the dining room, so you put your table and chairs here.
Oh, really?
A table. A chair.
Tootie, we sleep in the bedroom, so we put your bed in your bedroom.
Oh, okay.
A lamp and 2 bookshelves, too, so you can read in your bed.
Oh, thank you.
A bed. A lamp. A bookshelf.
Tootie, we put cups and dishes in the kitchen.
Oh, I see.
A cup. A dish.
Tootie, towels are in the bathroom so you can use them when you take a shower.
Thank you, children. Now I know where to put everything. Hey, let's have some snacks in the dining room.
Yay!
A towel.
Tootie,
Yes?
can we watch TV, please?
Yes, of course.
Welcome to our puppet show.
Wow, your sitting room is very nice.
Oh, thank you. My dog likes to watch television here. Hey, let's go to the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
This is the kitchen. I cook for my dog every day.
Oh. Oh, your bathroom is very beautiful.
Oh, thanks. I like to wash my dog here. Come with me to my bedroom.
Oh, your bedroom is so big.
Oh, thank you. But I cannot sleep in my bed
Oh? Why not?
because my dog likes to sleep in my bed.
Oh, where do you sleep?
Oh, I sleep on the floor.
Oh, poor you. This is the house for your dog. Ugh.
Ah, children, shall we play a guessing game?
Yes!
Okay.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Where am I?
You're sleeping, you're sleeping. You're in the bedroom. You're in the bedroom.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Where am I?
You're cooking, you're cooking. You're in the kitchen. You're in the kitchen.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Where am I?
You're eating, you're eating. You're in the dining room. You're in the dining room.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Where am I?
You're watching TV, watching TV in the sitting room. You're in the sitting room.
What am I doing? What am I doing? Where am I? Where am I?
You're taking a shower. You're taking a shower. You're in the bathroom. In the bathroom. Tootie, we have to go now.
Oh,
Thanks for everything. Thank you.
you're welcome.
Thank you.
Please come again and have fun.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Tootie.
Please come again. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye.